well. And both teams taking turns not giving the ball away. Halanovic, right side, into the box, give and go. Halanovic, played it across, settled, missed. That may have been waved off anyway. There was contact in the box. Barcelona committed a foul.
That ball came across. You see a foul, but Halanovic with the cross. There you see the push. Iniesta just misses. I don't know if Courtois would have had much to say about it had it been on the frame, JP.
Not much left in this as Courtois sends it upfield. That's it, at least for 90 minutes. It's a 2-2 final score after 90 minutes of play between Chelsea and Barcelona. Each team had a one-goal lead in this. Penalty kicks will decide this when we come back to FedEx Field.